Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another tutorial video brought to you by Rib. Today, we're not in Rust, we're back in Arma 3. So yeah, something we haven't touched in many years. If you're an old school subscriber and you're from the Arma 3 days, I mean, we've got 15,000 hours in Arma 3, so we did a lot of deving. It's where it all began back in 2013. If you're from them days and you remember iHaze, make sure you say what's up in the comments, man. But yeah, so we're back into Arma 3. Reason being, as you're probably aware, I'm not streaming at the minute, so I have a lot of time on my hands, i.e. to decorate and get organised. So one of the main things, as you can see here, I've got 4 big mega drives full at 50 gigabyte capacity, full of old school mission files from Pakistan to bloody Australia Life to you name it, to normal AltisLife, Saharini Life. I've got it all, baby, like Lakeside, Metropolis, all my old school mission files and mods that from even back from 2016. Probably a lot of content that you can't get anymore. So, like I say, if you want me to upload this to, well, a lot of this to my supporter page, then let me know in the comments. Hit the like, and I've got 4 drives full of content. Yeah, so hit the like. Let me know down below. I'll start uploading it. If you're Arma 3 deving and it's useful to people, I'll bring it up. But while we're here, it's given me a little bit of a taste of Arma 3. You know, I like my deving. And as I look, there's no up-to-date 2021 Arma 3 install videos, i.e. a lot of the links are dead, a lot of the downloads are broke. So this video here, I'm going to show you how to set up a AltisLife server from scratch using the brand new, but not I say brand new, it's the latest. They have AltisLife 5.0 and everything you need. So it'll all be in this one folder, which is down below. Okay, so first things first, you need something called Steamcmd. So go and Google, and you're going to Google Steamcmd, and you'll come across the download page, and just download Steamcmd. You need WinRAR or WinZip to open it. Following on from loads of videos, you should have all this stuff. If you're new here, you need WinRAR or WinZip to get inside this folder. And when you get inside it, when you've got WinRAR installed, obviously they're all free, don't get paid for anything. Whack it on the desktop, happy days. So what we need to do now, go to our C drive. I'm going to be using my C drive, and I'm going to be creating a folder here. Well, I'm going to create 2 folders, first being Steamcmd, and the next being Arma 3. I'll keep it as simple as I can, boys, and I won't try and I won't speed off. So I've created two folders, Steamcmd and Arma 3. Let's stick Steamcmd into Steamcmd, and as soon as I open this, it's going to start creating folders within this directory. So let it do its thing, and then I'll have a steam / ready for a command, and the command I will show you. Bear with. I'm going to get a, bear with me 2 seconds, guys. If I use that, Schizo is my Rust server. I'm going to have to hide a bit of information because obviously with logging in this, you have to log in your with your Steam, and you obviously you can see the password. So yeah, when I need it, we'll use it, which is any second. Make sure you got your phone or what close by, because you'll be getting a Steam verification to verify it's you. So what we need to do now, guys, we need to log in. For example, you'd go log in with your Steam name, which is Steve, space, your password, and password flower, for instance. Right, so let me log in as mine. And okay. Fluffy bunnies. Right, so that's logging me into my Steam, and I've got the Steam guide where you've got to verify your Steam. Bear with me 2 seconds. Come on now, Steam, there it is. Okay, logging in with my little code to verify it's me. Right, once I'm verified, I'll get rid of this. We shall resume. So let's scroll that down. Boom. Right, let's get rid of that. Sweet. So what we need to do now, there's a little bit of code we need to use, and it's, let me remember. No, not login. Force _ install _ directory, which is dir space. I can't remember if it was a speech mark. I think it is. Speech mark C drive / Arma 3 speech mark. It's reversed on this bloody keyboard. Update. Okay, that didn't do anything. Let's try my way. That should have been a validate maybe. Force. It's been a while, boys. Force install underscore directory space speech mark C drive slash Arma3 speech mark validate. Sorry, there we go. Old school way. App underscore update space 233780. Oh, there we go. Me being a noob. Force underscore install underscore directory space boom C drive slash Arma3. Then what do we do? 233780. Ah! Hold on, boys. We'll get there in the end. It's going to be one of these. Boom, I ain't typing it again. Boom. Validate. Nope. Do. Update. You absolute penis. Okay, we'll do it the old school then. App underscore update space 233780 space validate. If you know what I was doing wrong there in the command, boys, let me know. But this is now I was going to install in my Steamcmd directory, pretty sure. So we'll let it do its thing. I'll speed up the video, guys. Let me have a little look. What was I typing wrong there? Stand by now. I am very intrigued. Go on my channel. Let me find. Boom, boom, boom. Directory. Okay, what was I typing wrong? It was the other way around. You bloody penis. It was app underscore. Okay, I could have. Yeah. Yeah. Never mind, it's too late for me now, but if you guys type this, if I put it here for you. Login. I'll put this in the description, not login. Force. I've got something about login. Install. Directory. Space. The location of your folder, which ours is C drive slash Arma3 slash Arma3 speech mark space. Then it was app underscore update space 233780. That would have worked, and it would have installed in our Arma3 directory. However, to me, this server's only going to be up for 5 minutes. Then we'll be doing a lakeside or a tacky, so it makes no difference. But for you, you probably want to use this this command. I'll put it in the description. Rusty rib. Don't worry about it. We get there in the end. We always do. Hit that like, boys. Hit that like. So let's get rid of that. We'll leave it there. We'll use it in a bit. It's not going to take too long by the looks of it, which is a bonus. C drive. The redundant. Oh no, it's gone in my Arma3 folder. How the hell's it gone in there? How did it know? App underscore update space 233780 validate. How did it know? Let it do its thing. I think it has actually installed in the correct directory. Yeah, strangely enough. I'll take that. So like I say, everything in this folder, it's been tested. It will all work. So it saves you having to go and find and break. Like I say, they're all broken, dead links here, there, and everywhere. So not an up-to-date video of it. So even my videos are all they work back then. It's 2021 now, mate. Time to get updated. So we're nearly there. Right, so there is a couple of things you're going to need, boys. If you're not new around here, you know what Xampp is. It's what handles the database, the communication with our actual database in Heidi. It handles MySQL. It's a core component. You need it. We're going to set that up in a sec. But that is our Arma3 directory installed. Okay. Are you okay? Right, so let's go C drive. Arma3. So it has all installed in the Arma3 directory. Oh, that's cool. So that's all there. So what we need to do now is go back to our downloaded folders, which is going to be Xampp and Heidi. You're going to download Xampp and Heidi. Where's my Heidi installed? Okay, so Xampp first. We'll get this set up. Do. We're just going to go next. Pretty much. And I'm using a Windows 2019 4-core VPS. It's not the 2-core. It's been upgraded to another core, a couple of cores. I just couldn't handle it no more, mate. Right, so C drive Xampp is where I'm going to install mine. Thank you, please. Next. Get rid of that. Next. Okay, let it do its thing. Do. Like I say, I'll link everything in the description. Once this is installed, we're going to open this program up, and within this program, we need to install a couple of things. So let it do its thing, man. And you know me, I don't really like editing these videos out. I like to, if we come across problems, I keep them in. We fix it there and then, we work it out. We always get there in the end, boys. Hit that like, yes, mate. Bum, 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 bum. And if you want to see Lakeside, up-to-date files, packs, Lakeside Valleys, Tackies, whichever Arma3 map, hit the like, man. Hit the like. Let me know. What are you after? It's just a shame that my vaults all going to waste. They're absolute full of content. I guarantee you can't get a lot of these scripts and stuff anymore, and mods. Like 5 years old. Hidden for 5 years in the Ribsose vault. Hell yeah. Right, guys, when this has started, it's done its thing. I'll be right back. It shouldn't take too long. Are we nearly there? Yeah. Okay, so they're done, boys. Right, so Steamcmd is set up in our Arma3 directory in Z Drive. Xampp is downloaded and nearly installed. Come on, you're at the finish line, buddy. Let's go, let's go. Do, 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 do. Right, it's done. Creating the uninstaller, and we should be able to rock and roll. Like I say, this program, Xampp, needs to be running 24/7, so it just sits in your tray and it runs in the background. And that applies for a 5M server, an Arma 3 server. If you're using Xampp, it has to always run, or it won't be communicating with the database. Right, I do want to start the control panel now, please, yes. Okay, another important thing, guys, what you need to do now is double click this little red cross next to MySQL, install it, yes please, start, yes please. If you have any issues with this and it's coming up errors, I can't help you, man. All I know, I do it clean, fresh on a VPS server. I only ever use VPS servers, so I advise using a VPS, preferably from NFO, just because I've used them for years and they work well. Right, Apache, let's get an Apache server on the go as well and start that. So both these services are running. Happy days on 3306 for our MySQL. Now we can minimize this and forget about it. Next thing you want to go and do is download HideSQL. It's a simple Google HideSQL. The link will be down below. Go and download it. Install it. It's just the next jobby. Happy days. Once it's installed, it'll look like this. I've already got it installed, so there's no point me going and getting it. Right, what you want to do is create a new session. So new. Mine's unnamed. It's just it was unnamed. A user, a root, no password, port 3306. It might be on this as default, so don't touch it if it is. If it isn't, just change yours to match this exactly, and then we're going to click open. Right, what we're going to do now it comes down to the folder that I've actually provided. So before we run this SQL, let's just minimize that a sec. So you've got this folder, it looks exactly like that. Let's open our Arma3 folder that we've just installed. So this is our brand new Arma3 directory that we just installed with Steamcmd. We're going to start bringing over some stuff we need. So let's go in here as well. Let's have both folders open at the same time. Okay. Right, holding down control, you can select all these. So hold down control. So we need it. I'll take you through. These are for your memory, for the server, for memory leaks, etc. Put these in the main directory. I'm going to put them down there. Happy days. Tadst is, instead of using a server.bat, many use it, I don't. I'm going to use Tadst. So I've always used Tadst, it works well. Put that in the main server directory. Happy days. AltisLife is for our database. I'm going to stick that on the desktop. MP missions, inside is the mission we need. Altis.altis, I've already sorted this out for you. So MP missions, put this in here. Thank you, please. Come back out of there. And now these pair are very important. The @life server needs to go in here. In the future, you will need, when you start editing, a program called PBO Manager, but we won't talk about that now. You don't need it right now. So put that in here, and we also need exdb3. So stick that in here. Right. Okay. So we could do the exdb3 now, I suppose. So if we go inside exdb3, and you have this important file down here. Okay, so right click it, go to edit. Right. Okay. So down here, this must be AltisLife, and you have here the localhost port, the IP, the port 3306. On that, when we just set up ID, the user was root. There was no password, and my database that we're going to create in a second is called AltisLife. Make sure that information corresponds with that. Let's get out of that. Let's go back to Heidi. I've put the SQL on the desktop, so let's go to File. While highlighting the actual session, File, Run SQL, and on the desktop we have AltisLife. Open, do its thing. AltisLife. There we go. Happy days. Okay, one thing you could check, make sure it will have your root has got all global privileges and stuff, but I've seen a lot of people go wrong with this. But mine's all set. I haven't touched anything. It's all brand new. Okay, so AltisLife is in the database. We have our EXDB3 set up. So let's go to TADST. How this is what we use, the tool we use to start our server. So let's just give it a name and um, let's call it Schizo Roleplay, which is our Rust server. Password is the password to get on. If you want a password to join the server, we don't need a password. Admin password for your Archon, we don't need any of this, to be fair. Players, let's just go 100. This is just persistent battlefield, so the server doesn't disconnect when a player comes off, that the server just doesn't go off. Double click down here and it'll put the Arma3 server.exe, which is out of our Arma3 directory. Next one, go to rules. I don't think we need to click anything here really. No. Missions is Altis, which I've already put in our MP missions. Already sorted that out. Mods, you must have EXDB3 and live server, and anything else you don't really need, to be fair. Right, what you want to do now, boys, cross your fingers and click launch. And we should have a standard default AltisLife server on the go. So let's boot up Arma3. Do. Let it do its thing. It doesn't take a lot of time. Booting, I mean. Compared to a Rust server or what? And the 5M straight away. Right, so my game's booting. The server's booting. We should be cooking on gasage. But we'll soon see. Do. I think I've taken you through everything exactly. I hope we have. Right, so that's the server started. That's our game started. Can you guys see the game yet? Make sure we are picking up the game. We are. Okie dokie! Right. Come on. Forget your splash screens and stuff. Hurry up. Server browser. There it is. Schizo roleplay. So the server is up. Can we join it? Is the question. A brand new. Not brand new. Well, it is a brand new server, but the latest framework that AltisLife provides you with, which is the V5. Let's go civilian and hope we can spawn in. Oh, my resolution's knackered, so it's figuring us up. Oh dear me. Let's go. But you can't see it now. Oh, you can. Cool. Right, now I can click it. So let's get the mission file. Wait a sec. Check our server. We've been accepted, etc. Yeah. For more information about your server, you can click monitor and it'll tell you everything you need to know in here. If you have an issue. Boom. Well, it's been some years since we've been setting up Arma3 servers, that's a certain. But like I say, I've got vaults bloody full of Arma3 live servers, mission files, mods, you name it, I've got it. And it just yeah, I just wanted to revitalize and dust off the cobwebs on these missions, fix them and get them up for you guys. Like I say, when I came to set up the servers again, a lot of the links is broken, dead, and this and that. So everything's in the folder as of 2021 that you need. Following this video, that's it. You should have a server up. With a bit of luck, we get a spawn point, and then everything's worked. And let me know down below what mission with mods like a Lakeside, a Saharini, about Bornholm, whatever you want. What would you like to see next? Because I've got them all, mate. Which one shall we fix and get working? I think we're going to have to do a V5 Lakeside, to be fair. I've got them files knocking around. The nostalgia of Lakeside Valley Dams, though. Right, so that is the map of a vanilla V5 AltisLife. Can we log in? We can. The nostalgia is real. There we are. Spawned in. Beautiful Arma3 graphics and physics. Oh jeez. Oh jeez, it's been a while. Where's me little man? There he is now. Jeez. But that is the server up. You guys could jump on this server and join it. If you want me to start running a... Like I say, this is where it all started. Oh, damn. An AltisLife server or a Lakeside Valley server or something again. Let me know down below. Hope it's out. Peace out, amigos. Like, subscribe. Until next time. Take care. Stay safe. Yes, mate.